This is the video for 3.3 log properties. So these I want you to put in your yellow pages. The product property says that if you have a log to some base and two things that are multiplied together, whether they are numbers or variables, they expand out to addition, the same base. The quotient property says if you are dividing two items, whether they be constants or whether they be variables, they expand out to subtraction. Power property says that if I have log to some base of x to a particular exponent, that exponent can be moved to the front. And these all also go for, all of these also come into play when you have natural logs, because natural log is just log base e. The other formula we're going to look at is change of base. And that basically says that if I have log to some base, log base a of b, that's log b over log a. First, we're going to evaluate logs. So problem number 1 is log base 4 of the 5th root of 64. Hold on, I'm going to make the pen fatter. So first thing I need to do is I need to change my radical to exponential. So this will be log base 4 of 64 to the 1/5 power. And then 64, you can break down 64. If I divide 4 into that, that's 16. 16 is 4 times 4. So that's log base 4 of 4 cubed to the 1/5, which is log base 4 of 4 to the 3/5. And as long as these two are the same base, my answer is 3/5. If I have 5 natural log of e squared minus natural log of e cubed, that's my problem. Before I can condense this into one log, I need to move all of my coefficients up to the top. So I have natural log e squared, but now I'm moving the 5 up there, so now it's 2 times 5 minus natural log of e cubed. So it gives me natural log of e to the 10th minus natural log of e cubed. And if you remember, natural log is log base e. And so as long as my two bases are the same, my answer to this part is going to be 10. My answer to this part is going to be 3. 10 minus 3 will give me 7. Okay, next one. E to the 4, natural log of x. So again, I can move my 4 up to my top exponent. And if you remember from our last lesson, if I have e and natural log, that means e to the log base e of x to the 4th. As long as this e and that e are the same, then this is my answer, x to the 4th. Okay, next problem. 16 to log 16 of 5. That's my problem. This 2 can be moved back up as my exponent. So that's going to give me 16 log base 16 of 5 squared, which is, 16 log base 16 of 25. So as long as my base here and my base here are the same, 25 is my solution. Okay. Next one, e to the log base 5 or 5x. So for this part, as long as this base is the same, the answer to this is x. And then that gives me e to the x. And that doesn't simplify anymore, so that's your final answer.